Welcome to Smart V. Today we're going to prepare Mirchi Bajji. So let's go and see the recipe. So first we need to wash a few green chilies, then we're going to fry them. This is how the chilies should look like after they've been fried. So now we're going to make the stuffing for the chilies. And for that we'll need soaked lemon-sized tamarind, three tablespoons of coriander and jeera powder, a little bit of salt, and half teaspoon nut powder. So now our masala is ready, and we're going to take our chilies and we're going to cut it and remove the seeds from inside. Then we're going to put our masala inside. This is how the chili should look like after you stuff the masala in. Plus 1/2 cup besan, a little chili, a little bit of baking soda, and some salt. Mix everything, then add little by little water to make a thick paste. But make sure you don't add too much because you don't want the paste to be all liquidy. This is how the consistency of our batter should look like. Just make sure it's not too thick. You dip the chilies into the paste, and then you're just going to cover it up, and finally you're going to put it in the oil to deep fry. Make sure you cover the whole parts of the chili. Make sure they're a little golden before you take them out. After half boiled, take them out and let them rest for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to deep fry them again. Bajji is ready. Please serve and enjoy. If you like our recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.